click this one, CMD. Yeah. Now see here, CLS, type Python, the 3.10.11 it is coming. It's no problem. So now, I have already installed the software. Now a small program I'm writing. Suppose factorial of a given number. Write a Python program. See, I'm writing a comment section. Write a Python program to perform factorial of a given number. Factorial of a given number. Very simple program. So suppose you are taking 5 factorial. So it has to give output 120. Now see, n is equal to, I'm reading n variable, int input of double quotes begin. This is a syntax you need to read. Enter value of n. Enter value of n. Okay. So now the system is asking now. See here, enter value of n. I'm entering 5. I'm entering 5. So factorial, it starts with initially 1. Fact is equal to 1. I'm writing for loop for this one. For I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. N plus 1 means it can rotate, it can repeat 5 steps, because n is equal to 5 I have taken. Now you need to do tab symbol here. Tab, fact is equal to fact into I. So this is the logic of the program. Then print, you can write factorial is equal to so fact. Output variable is fact. Very simple logic. See, it is a Python can be executed in see, my output is visible, sir. Ravi sir, please acknowledge me.
Visible, sir.
Yeah. You can also execute, sir, parallelly. No problem.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
See, so I'm reading. See, I'm doing a Python program, very simple program. Then immediately I'm going to demonstrate cyber security applications. Please see, I'm writing aim of the program with hash. Hash is a comment section. Write a Python program to perform factorial of a given number. N is equal to, n is a variable, int is a data type, and input is a syntax for reading the value through keyboard. N is equal to int of, input of, within the double quotation you can write enter value of n. Python is a case sensitive programming language and interpreted language. Within the double quotation you can write capital letter, small letter, but remaining you need to write case sensitive programming language. Small letters only it can allow. Then this is the syntax of reading n value. N is equal to int of, input of, enter value of n. Then it will ask immediately, because it is an interpreted language. Python is developed by Guido van Rossum. Python supports all mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Python is an interpreted and object-oriented programming language. Python supports data types like integer, character, float, double. Python supports arrays, list, sets, tuples, dictionaries, collections. And array supports for loop, while loop, etc. Okay. So now see, factorial starts with 1, because if it starts 0, entire value will be 0. That's why I'm taking fact is equal to 1. I'm writing for loop statement for I in range. So I means I is a variable. It starts with 1. N plus 1 means 5 plus 1. That means 1 to 6. 5 iterations it will come. So colon is a syntax of for loop statement. Then I'm writing a logic. Sorry. Fact is equal to fact into I. So first iteration, what will happen? I will become 1. 1 into 1, 1 will be stored in the fact. Then I becomes 2. So 1 into 2 into 2. 1 into 2. 2 will be stored in the fact. Then I becomes 3. So 1 into 2 into 3, it will be stored in the fact. Then I becomes 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Then it will be stored 24 stored in the fact. Then I becomes 5. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That means 120. After 5 iterations, for loop will exit and it prints the statement print factorial. It is a within the double quotes. Then output variable is facts. Fact is the output variable. So this is the way we can execute Python programs. Any doubts? Can I go for cyber security execution now? Applications?
Yes, sir.
Please,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now see, first program I am going to demonstrate. Okay. So Python can be executed in two ways. It is called IDLE, Integration Development Learning Environment. Same program I can execute in a scripting way. Please see here. If you want to exit from this IDLE, you need to give the command like quit, parenthesis begin, parenthesis close. So now you are in a scripting way. So I'm writing program, my own program, notepad space fact2.py. I'm giving factorial, file name is a fact.py. I'm writing program here. See, so here you can reduce the font size. It is too much. 30 is there. You can go for 25. Okay. So I'm opening the file once again. Yeah. Now see, I'm writing a comment section like this also. So name, I'm writing Dr. Asadi, Dr. Asadi, and aim of the program. Aim of the program is write a Python program, write a Python program to perform factorial of a given number. Same program. Then I will execute. Now I am closing the. This is multi-line comments in Python. See, and now I am reading n is equal to Vivek. In this group, Vivek is there. Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Enter value of A, enter value of N, enter value of N. So this is the way I am doing scripting way. So fact is equal to 1. Then I'm writing for statement for I in range. This is a syntax you need to learn. So for I in range, it starts with 1 and n plus 1. Then see the one tab space you need to give. Fact is equal to fact into I. Fact into I. Then you can start with the print. Okay. Factorial is equal to, you need to learn how to write indentation problem will occur sometimes. So this is the program I have completed in scripting way. Now you can go to run command and execute. CLS, clear the screen, Python space fact2.py. See, one indentation problem is there. Can anyone identify? So I forgot colon because every statement, first statement ends with a semicolon. That's why, see, in earlier, I have shown in the IDLE, I kept colon. That's why no error. Now it is showing error because you need to use colon symbol. Now execute, it won't show any error. Now CLS. So Python space fact2.py. So now it is asking, see the output, enter value of n. I am giving 5. 5 is my input variable and it processes with help of logic of fact is equal to fact into I. Then it will print the output. See now, I got the output. Factorial 1 is 1, factorial 2 is 2, factorial 3 is 6, factorial 4 is 24, factorial 5 is 120. Okay. So this is the program. Now I am going to demonstrate one application.